Welcome everyone to our market analysis this evening. We would like to thank you for joining us today. So before we even get into our analysis this evening, we are currently running a promo which does not require any code at all. That is running from today. Um, the end date is gonna be specified soon, but right now you're going to be able to get 40% off all instant funded accounts, and you have also 100% profit split on demand payouts. Yeah, so that's that. From the 1st of October, you'll be able to get 40% off all instant funded accounts and 100% on demand payouts. So don't miss out on this offer that's currently here. And now let's right on get into our analysis for this evening, starting with the dollar index. So with the dollar index, we had the break of the trend line and a push up, but we didn't really break the resistance level. We literally like touched it, then immediately started breaking all the way down. Mostly probably because of the government shutdown that came up this previous week, and we consolidated for a bit, and now we're just in the middle part. So for this coming week, I would say we're still bullish on the US dollar, and we could be seeing some upward movement coming to the upside right here. So let's keep an eye watching that. So that is my overall analysis on the US dollar for this coming week, that we should be having some more dollar strength. Then with euro dollar, we do see almost the same scenario, but inverted, where it's still bearish, and we had a consolidation for a bit here during like Friday NFP time, and there wasn't any NFP, but overall we are still in the same area. So for this coming week, I do think we're gonna come all the way down here to make a new low of this previous low of the week that happened. So this is where I do think we might be coming down to. Then from there, we might be coming to our major support level, which is down here that we anticipated around 1.18200. Then dollar yen. Dollar yen, we had a break of the trend line, pushed really strongly up, then immediately started coming all the way down. And literally, this looks like a head and shoulders pattern where we have the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder that's literally forming right now. It's either this could be the right shoulder, it's right shoulder can always be slanted. So this could be the right shoulder, and right now we could be pushing all the way down and making a new low here for next week. So this is what we anticipate for this coming week, a new low being broken right here. And then afterwards we could be going as far as here, coming all the way to 145 500. So let's keep an eye watching that on dollar yen. Then let's look at pound yen. So pound yen, it had its strong push to the downside, and that push continued. It took out all support levels that we were anticipating, and right now it just seems like we bounced off this support level around 19800. So this seems like a psychological level, so we might actually be going back up to the upside. And if we take a look at this trend line, if we draw a trend line over here, we could actually be like pushing up into this trend line, probably into the 199,600 area. So this could be an area that we could be coming up to, especially since those support around this area just here. So we had to push down here, then bounced off of it, then we had to push down here, then bounce off of it. So we might actually be having a rejection here before we actually push all the way down, probably back to 197,500. So that is my anticipation on pound yen. Then let's look at dollar Mexican. So dollar Mexican, we had the first trend line which was broken, the second trend line as well. which was broken on dollar Mexican. Then we had this resistance level that we say we might come up to, and then this was the second resistance level that we anticipated a move up to around 1866, 1866, or is it 1855? Well, this should be 1866, yeah, around 1866. I don't know why this is not moving. Let's just expand it, then move it. Yeah. So 1866, around this area. This is an area that we're still looking to come up to. But right now, it looks like this is also having a head and shoulders, but this one is the left shoulder, head, right, the push down here, then right shoulder. So we could actually be seeing more downward movement coming all the way down to 1820. So that is what we could be seeing for this coming week on dollar Mexican. Then let's look at CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss, we had a hold here at this support level where we breached up, came all the way down, breached up, coming all the way down, and then we just held like a certain kind of wedge coming down to the downside. And obviously this one draws a very great trend line coming all the way down like this. And we can also have like this support level that was broken just right here. So we have like a axis type of triangle, right triangle. So we might actually be holding here and then breaking up to the upside. That's what I'm actually anticipating with CAD Swiss. Like we could be breaking off this triangle, which is also a trend line, and then we could be pushing all the way up. Then we could be seeing ourselves coming up to this resistance level around 057 800. So that is my anticipation on CAD Swiss for this coming week. Then let's look at pound dollar. So pound dollar has been in an interesting situation where it pushed down to the support levels, and then afterwards it broke the trend line, which was like very much unanticipated, and then it broke out to the resistance level here, and then we seemed to have come to this resistance but didn't quite reach it. But then we could actually be coming back all the way to this top over here, which I am trying to expand and extend. Yeah, there we go. So this is where we could be coming all the way up to for this coming week. So this could be something to look forward to. But with also the dollar strength, we could actually even just be coming all the way down to 1.33400. So let's keep an eye watch on that for the pound dollar. Then let's look at gold as well. So gold has been just pushing till forever, and we have literally been all the way here where we came to the resistance, touched it, came all the way up, and then we had a very strong push down here before NFP. Well, NFP didn't really occur, but either ways, yeah, we had a very strong push down here, and we started recovering all the way back up. So for this coming week, especially with the dollar poised to strengthen, we might actually be seeing ourselves coming all the way down to 3800. So let's keep an eye watching that for this coming week on gold. Then let's look at NAS 100. So with NAS 100 on Friday, we had a push back into this resistance level right here. We first touched it for the first touch, and the second touch we broke right through. So we could be seeing even further downside movement coming all the way down to this level down here that we actually anticipated to come down to around the 24100 area. Then now let's look at Bitcoin. So with Bitcoin, we also have had a parabolic move because there was like consolidation over here, then we pushed all the way up. So this kind of move is really parabolic, and we could be seeing it breaking real soon. So we could be coming into this area of resistance, turning into support right here around the 1800 level. So we could be seeing the market coming all the way down here, then pushing all the way back up. So that is what I'm anticipating on Bitcoin. And last but not the least, Ethereum. Ethereum also had a parabolic move, but not really that crazy, just a push up. Overall, this looked like an inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, then push all the way up. But we are yet to see if this resistance level shall hold, or it will continue pushing all the way up. But we could actually be seeing ourselves even coming all the way to 4750. So that is a level we could be coming up to on Ethereum. So this is where we conclude with our market analysis this evening. And yeah, don't forget once again that we do have the 40% off discount, which you don't need to use a code. And that's starting on the 1st of October, which means it's already started. You can take advantage of this offer and get 45% off on instant funded accounts and get 100% profit split on the on-demand payouts. So this is where we conclude for our market analysis this evening. I hope you